Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing a fingerprint from Touch ID on your Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Touch ID. Hover over the fingerprint that you would like to remove. Then click the X that appears above it. Enter your Mac password and then click OK. Click Delete on the pop-up. That fingerprint has now been deleted from your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.